in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to block specific words on the Instagram app. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up Instagram and select your profile icon in the bottom right corner to be directed to your profile page. Then select the hamburger icon in the top right corner. Scroll down underneath where it says how others can interact with you. And you want to select where it says hidden words. And then at this point, you can select where it says manage custom words and phrases. And then you can add specific words you want to block and then just do a comma in order to save it. And then you would select the add button and then it'd be added to your blocked words down there. So it'd be a pretty straightforward process to do that. You would just select add and you would see them here once you've added it. So it doesn't appear that it's saved. So let me just go ahead and add it. Want to remove it later, just go ahead and select it and then select the little trash bin icon, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.